Hi, I'm Dr. Susan Detox. Today, I'll discuss the heavy metals in our food, their health effects, and practical guidelines for reducing exposure. Heavy metals such as lead, mercury, cadmium, arsenic, and aluminum naturally occur. However, they can become toxic when they accumulate in our bodies due to industrial pollution, agricultural practices, and environmental factors. Prolonged exposure may lead to neurological disorders, kidney damage, cancer, and other serious health issues. Some of the common heavy metals and their sources include lead, Pb. The sources include contaminated soil, water, and air. Also found in leafy greens, spinach, lettuce, root vegetables, carrots, beets, potatoes, grains, wheat, rice, and seafood. Health effects include can cause neurological damage, especially in children, kidney dysfunction, and cardiovascular problems. Mercury, Hg. Sources include released through industrial processes, bioaccumulates in large predatory fish, tuna, swordfish, shark, king mackerel, and shellfish. Health effects include leads to neurological disorders, tremors, memory loss, vision impairment, cardiovascular issues, and immune suppression. Pregnant women risk developmental delays in their children. Cadmium, Cd. Sources include emitted during mining, smelting, and through phosphate fertilizers. Present in leafy vegetables, spinach, kale, grains, rice, wheat, shellfish, mussels, oysters, and organ meats. Health effects include primarily damages kidneys, weakens bones, increasing fracture risk, and is linked to various cancers. Arsenic, As. Sources include naturally found in groundwater and soil elevated by mining and agriculture. Common in rice and rice products, poultry, due to feed additives, and seafood. Health effects include chronic exposure is associated with skin, lung, and bladder cancers, cardiovascular disease, and cognitive decline. Aluminum, Al. Sources include many processed foods, baked goods, processed cheese, powdered drinks, and can leach from aluminum cookware, especially with acidic foods. Health effects include linked to neurological issues such as Alzheimer's disease and can interfere with calcium absorption, leading to bone weakening. Here are some practical guidelines to reduce heavy metal exposure. Choose organic and local. Organic farming avoids certain pesticides and fertilizers that introduce heavy metals, and locally sourced foods often come from better regulated environments. Wash and cook foods properly. Rinse vegetables thoroughly to remove surface contaminants. Soak and cook rice with extra water to reduce arsenic levels. While cooking seafood may help reduce some contaminants, opt for smaller fish to minimize mercury exposure. Limit high mercury fish. Avoid large predatory fish like tuna, swordfish, and shark. Instead, choose low mercury options such as wild salmon, sardines, trout, and tilapia. Diversify your grains. Since rice tends to absorb more arsenic, incorporate other grains like quinoa, barley, bulgur, or millet. Note that white rice may contain less arsenic than brown rice. Avoid processed foods with aluminum additives. Read labels to avoid additives like sodium aluminum phosphate and use cookware made from stainless steel, cast iron, or ceramic instead of aluminum. Drink filtered water. Use water filters, reverse osmosis, or activated carbon to remove heavy metals like lead, arsenic, and mercury from your tap water. Filtered tap water is often safer than bottled water, which may still contain contaminants. By making informed choices and adopting these dietary guidelines, you can significantly reduce your heavy metal exposure and protect your long-term health. Small changes, like choosing organic produce, thoroughly washing foods, diversifying your grains, and using proper cookware, can make a big difference in detoxifying your body from these hidden toxins. Heavy metals cause many chronic diseases in today's world, so hopefully this brief talk will help you to understand their importance and how to reduce their load in the body.